This is a user journey exploring how a user is going to move from their account page, check their eligibility, check their land and make an application. First, we wanted to see where they were coming from. We wanted to check if they were eligible to move on. Once we know they're eligible, then we need to gather more information. So we just do some quick sketches to work out roughly how the user is going to get from A to B. Once we've established the rough flow, then we start exploring that in more detail. We start looking at each screen in the journey and each step. Then we try and refine those steps so that the journey is as simple as possible for the user. There's no complications. This will be the first page that the user will land at to check their eligibility, and we keep it low fidelity at this stage so we don't overcomplicate or worry about the content too much at this stage. We're just still trying to work on the flow. We have determined that this landing page will be the beach farm page. Then the user goes on to the Countryside Stewardship page where they get more information and guidance, and they can choose the package that suits them and then check their eligibility for that package. The eligibility checker will be a series of questions that will either approve them or eliminate them from the application process. So once they've completed the 6 questions, a set of rules will run in the background that will allow us to determine the eligibility of the user. Once we know they're eligible, then we need to find out more information about their holding. So they have to define the land and the features on each field. So we need to present them with a map, and we also need to present information about each field. We also need to give them access to go into each field and edit it in more detail.